So guys, this is the tour of our 400 kilowatt peak solar rooftop project in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. As you can see, the modules used are of Waaree 380 watt peak mono PERC technology. The strings are made up of 20 modules each, and as you can see, this is the cable tray from which all the strings are combined and comes here, and from here it goes down to the inverter is placed just below the shed. So this is how we are taking the cables to the inverter. This is the walkway to roam around easily through our whole roof and easily check our PV modules, and also it will help us in cleaning modules more efficiently, as people can walk easily on this walkway. There is our relay installed, ESC type, 107 meter protection radius. This is the water pipeline going across all plant for the cleaning purpose. As you can see, it is covering whole of plant. So now I'll take you to the inverters, to the place where the inverters are placed, and let you know about the inverter technology that we are using. So guys, this is our inverter. Which we are using. It is Delta 70 kilowatt peak capacity inverters. The total number of inverters that we are using are 5 numbers. As you can see, this is the LT cable, and above it is the communication cable going till the Del Remo that is installed in the main LT panel room of the client. This is the LT cable and this is the communication cable. So as you can see, this is our main ACDP panel, and the 4 LT cables that are coming, 5 AC cables that are coming from the outgoing of inverters and connected into the 5 MCCBs, and then there are 2 300 square mm LT cable that is going from here to the client's main LT panel. So these 2 LT cables of our solar plant are going to be connected to the main LT panel's ACB output side of the client's main LT panel. So our plant will be terminating at the common bus bar of this plant. See, as you can see, this is the ACB 2500 amps, and the power is coming from the transformer that is just behind it. So our power will be terminating on the bus bar that is below this ACB. These are the string strips going for the inverter as well as the ACDP. I have just opened the common bus bar of this ACB for a more clear view. See, you can see this is the ACB and the bus bar is coming from the output of this ACB. So we are going to connect these 2 cables of ours at this bus bar only, where we will be finding the suitable path to connect it. And that's it, how this is our solar going to be connected with the main LT panel of the client.